Hello, my name is Dominique Harrison. I have the pleasure to serve as Director of Recruitment and Admissions at Norfolk State University. I would like to welcome you to our first Spartan Experience virtual open house. A few housekeeping items before you get started. First, make sure to take advantage of all the live sessions if possible. You have the opportunity to interact with students, faculty, and staff throughout the day. Second, during the live sessions, make sure to type any questions you have in the Q&A chat box. Third, if you registered, make sure to monitor your email for your application fee waiver code. And lastly, get comfortable, sit back and enjoy Fall 2020 Virtual Open House. Behold, the green and gold.
Welcome, future Spartans. We look so forward to you coming to the university in fall 2021. I am Dr. Javon Adams Gaston. I am the 7th president of Norfolk State University, and it is my privilege to talk to you today. There's so much about Norfolk State University that we want you to know. We are a top 20 HBCU, historically black college and university, and we're so proud of the progress we've made because of the people here at Norfolk State University. We have amazing programs. Those include our health sciences program, our cybersecurity, our arts program, our business program, so many programs for you to choose from, and excellence in all of our programs. We invite you to become someday one of the alums of Norfolk State University. In our 85 years, as we celebrate our 85th year this year, we have produced more than 35,000 alums. And you can add to that number. I want you to know that this is a wonderful place to be because from the moment you walk onto this campus, you are included. The person that you are and the person that you want to become is nurtured, supported, and poured into so that you can do all the things that you anticipate doing, both in your academics and in your extracurricular, which add to the environment, the support, and the ability to be your best self. Here at Norfolk State University, we care about you. And in fact, we have a culture of care where we take care of one another, we check in on one another, we support one another, and we ensure that when you come to the institution, our goal is for you to leave with a degree in hand in something that you're interested in, ready and prepared for first day of either work or graduate or professional school. We are your school, and we see the future in you.
Behold has a special meaning at Norfolk State University. It exemplifies knowledge, hard work, perseverance, and striving towards success. Since 1935, Spartans have walked these grounds ready to take on the challenges of the times, transform lives, and realize dreams. We are a state-of-the-art institution, preparing students to take on the modern world with innovative coursework, experiential learning, and cutting-edge degrees. NSU offers 31 bachelor's degree programs, 15 master's degree programs, and 3 doctoral programs in fields such as cybersecurity, electronic engineering, business, social work, cyber psychology, nursing, computer science, optical engineering, theater arts, and health services management. As NSU celebrates its 85th year, this is our time, and it's your time to consider one of Virginia's most affordable four-year universities. At NSU, we see the future in you. The green and gold tradition continues.
Hello, and welcome to the Fall Virtual Open House at Norfolk State University. I'm Devanna Fulton, Provost and Vice President for Academic Affairs. I do hope that you and your families are all safe and healthy during this challenging time. And I want to thank you for joining us in this virtual format. Although the pandemic has forced us to be physically distanced from each other, our commitment to NSU students remains unchanged, which is evident in the enormous amount of work devoted to each segment of this open house event to create a meaningful program to showcase the wonderful environment and excellent academic opportunities at Norfolk State University. I congratulate you on making this choice and let you know that this choice that you've made, you've committed an act of agency. An act of agency is when you do something that is fundamentally impactful on your life. By choosing to pursue your education at Norfolk State, you made a decision to progress and grow and change not only your life, you can change the lives of those around you and even change the world. Now, excellence is our #1 core value, and academic excellence is the center of that value. NSU provides students with 21st century skills for 21st century careers. Our academic programs are designed to prepare you to be successful professionals in whatever field you choose. Through 7 colleges and schools, we offer academic excellence in over 30 undergraduate and 19 graduate programs in areas across the academic spectrum, from accounting to history, social work, and education, and cybersecurity. The College of Science, Engineering, and Technology comprises STEM programs focused on technology, innovation, and healthcare. The College of Liberal Arts is the university's largest college and offers the broadest range of disciplines, including fine and performing arts, humanities, and social sciences. The School of Business is accredited by AACSB International and concentrates on undergraduate business education to prepare students to be business leaders. The School of Education features teacher education programs and offers one of only 2 accredited kinesiotherapy programs in the country. The Ethelyn R. Strong School of Social Work has been called the flagship school of social work in the region, with programs at each academic level: a Bachelor of Social Work, Master of Social Work, and Doctor of Philosophy in Social Work. The Robert C. Nusbaum Honors College provides academically enriched and challenging programs and social engagement for high-achieving and highly motivated students in all disciplines. The School of Graduate Studies and Research provides administration for the university's 19 graduate programs and supports student researchers to complete their graduate studies. We have top-notch facilities to support instruction, practice, and research. For example, there's the broadcast studio, practical training experiences in the community, a clean room, research labs, and the cybersecurity suite. All of these resources are within an NSU community of professionals and academics dedicated to helping you earn your degree and launch your career and make a difference in the world. Our nationally and internationally recognized faculty are committed to teaching students and conducting research that has an impact on the world. In addition to excellent academic programs, NSU operates 12 centers and institutes that enhance teaching and research for faculty and students. If your interest is in space exploration, through the Institute for Space and Science Exploration, you could work with faculty to contribute to the Mars Rover project for NASA. For you entrepreneurial types, the NSU Innovation Center on the Main's Incubator Program assists minorities to launch creative ideas and put themselves in a position to secure venture capital dollars. This center has recently received wide public recognition. While we currently are seeing increased attention to race and injustice, these issues are not new or going away anytime soon. The Center for African American Public Policy is an NSU think tank that explores and produces nonpartisan research on public policy that affect African Americans and other people of color. Recently, this center spearheaded organizing the U.S. Senate debate hosted by Norfolk State University. NSU students were privileged to ask questions of the candidates during the debate that was broadcast around the Commonwealth and in Washington, D.C. At NSU, We know that preparing students to be first day ready is critical for professional success. For this reason, students have numerous internship opportunities in business and industry, education and government, and civic and community organizations. We live in a globally interconnected world, and each of us must be engaged as global citizens. International education and study abroad opportunities provide the kind of knowledge that broadens perspective and is essential for humanity and our national progress. I am moved by the words of educator Dr. Mary McLeod Bethune, who said, "The progress of the world will call for the best that all of us have to give." At Norfolk State University, we give students the best we have so that you can do the same and contribute to the growth and development of the world in which we live. I remind you to behold the green and gold.
Hey guys, my name is Janae and this is my NSU story. So my major is social work and my minor is political science. So why did I come to Norfolk State University? So I'm from California. We don't have any type of HBCUs on the West Coast. Have that traditional type of vibe, but still kind of progressive in movement. My focus was, once I get here and I come across country, how am I going to be successful? I'm going to go straight into the honors college program. I made the dean's list last semester, so I've been working hard. So what is my favorite moment? So one day we're like, we're gonna go to this activity hour together. There's all these students and we're nervous, but we're like, we're gonna do this. So then the beat dropped and we're dancing and then we turn around and everybody's doing this dance on the floor and we're like the only people standing up and you can see other people looking at us like, what the heck are you guys doing? This is not the dance. So yeah, that moment made me want to get engulfed in the culture at this school. I think the importance of an HBCU is understanding the history. It's historically Black colleges, universities. When you know where you come from, you can know where you're gonna go. So survival tips I'll give to freshmen. Finding who you are. While you're in school and while you're in college, yeah, you're gonna have friends and all these things. And I'm not saying that you can't have fun, but you can have fun and know who you are. I'm involved in a fraternity, A5Q. So we're focused on the community and students. So I have my own organization called West Coast Connect so that it's easier for West Coast students to be acclimated to this type of environment because it is a culture shock, but in that culture shock, we make this home. This was an awesome opportunity to share my story, and for those of you that are at NSU, I know y'all love this school. So try to share your story. I encourage you to share #MyNSUStory.
Hello and welcome to Norfolk State University. My name is Joshua O'Brien, a senior majoring in sociology with a concentration in business here at Norfolk State University. And I am from Prince George's County, Maryland, and I currently serve as your Mr. Norfolk State University for the 2020-21 academic school year.
Good morning. I am Elita Juliana Russian, a senior psychology student from Chester, Virginia, and I currently serve as Miss Norfolk State University.
We are thrilled to have you guys here to experience Norfolk State University.
Not too long ago, Josh and I were in your shoes, eagerly waiting and applying for colleges.
Although the pandemic has hindered us from the great Norfolk State experience, we did not want you to miss what Norfolk State has to behold.
Please sit back and enjoy this year's 2020 virtual open house.
Behold the green and gold.
Good morning. My name is Miss Dominique Garcia. I serve as one of your admissions counselors and open house coordinator. I'm also a proud graduate, majoring in mass communications with a concentration in general broadcasting. As a Spartan, I can tell you, with being founded in the midst of the Great Depression, Norfolk State University has always been built to survive any adversity and adapt to any challenging times. With the current pandemic that has affected our normal lives, Norfolk State University has made it a priority to ensure prospective students feel the Spartan love, even from the comfort of your home. We wanted to make sure open house was special by offering live sessions such as first year freshman panel, parent resource panel, transfer admission services session, and 5 academic webinar sessions. So I ask for you to sit back, take notes, and enjoy the first year ever virtual Spartan experience. Behold the green and gold.
Hey guys, it's your girl Mona J, and this is my NSU story. Why did I attend NSU? So it was the Denemis program that specialized in African Americans or minorities majoring in some kind of science or math, and it literally changed my life. My advice to students at NSU is to make the most of your time there. While I was at Norfolk State University, I realized how many resources were available to me. I have my own graphics business now called Dream Designs Graphics. I was also a chemistry teacher for a high school in Portsmouth for 7 years. So my most memorable experience happened not too long ago. I decided that Mona J would go on The Voice. I sung for the judges and they were impressed. I got a red card and literally it blew my mind. Yeah! I think it was Tina Turner. So you want to give me a little Tina Turner? Well, I left a good job in the city, working for the man every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleep, cause I was worried about how the things might have been. Big wheel keep on turning. Come on! Roll, keep on burning. And we're rolling, rolling. I'm rolling till the callbacks. I made it to the next round and the round after that. And finally, the show decided to go another way. But since that experience, I have been on fire. What I learned at Norfolk State is relevant in my life today. Any challenge that comes my way, I believe that I can do it. I want to thank you guys for watching my story. I want you to take some time right now. Follow me on Instagram at Mona J Music, at I Am The Dreamer. Follow at Dream Designs Graphics on Instagram, or check us out at dreamdesignsgraphics.com. Remember, if you want to share your story, be sure to hashtag MyNSUStory. Behold the green and gold. Go Spartans! Woo!
Hey guys, it's Miss Garcia again. Don't forget to click the links right down below to join any of the live sessions. Make sure to sit back and enjoy the virtual Spartan experience. Behold the green and gold.